Hey, this is Coach Reeves again. Today's lesson, evaluate, add, subtract functions. When we're going to evaluate the functions, you must use parentheses. We're going to do it a bunch, but you better use parentheses. Let me show you an example why you should. If we substitute in a -7 and we do not use the parentheses, this calculator, if you put this in the calculator, this is going to come out to be -49. But if we substitute in a -7 and we use parentheses like we're asked to do, -7 squared is going to be treated as a +49. Because this says -7 times -7, and negative times a negative will give us the +49. This does not treat it this way, okay? This treats this as, I want the opposite of 7 squared. And the opposite of 7 squared would be -49. Please use parentheses, okay? So we're gonna work about 7 examples. You need to stay with me so we can get caught up on this stuff, okay? Here we go. So it says P of X in this function. Whenever you see the X in your problem, they're going to ask you to substitute -7. So right here, where we have an X, right here, where we have another X, they're going to ask me to substitute in a -7. So we're going to say parentheses squared plus 4 times parentheses. For these x's, remember they're saying wherever you see an x, you need to put in a -7. So we're going to go -7 here and -7 here. We just talked about this. -7 squared will give us a 49. 4 times -7 is a -28. 49 minus 28, final answer, 21. It's important to use the parentheses. If you don't, we're going to get the wrong answer. Next example. Wherever I see the letter T, wherever I see the T in my problem, they're going to ask me to substitute in -4t. So right here where this t is, I have t to the 3rd power minus 4. They're going to ask me to substitute in -4t. This means that I'm going to go -4t times -4t times -4t. That's the equivalent. -4 times -4 is a +64. A +64, I messed that up. -4 times -4 is a +16. A +16 times -4 is a -64. Sorry about that. T, there's an invisible little 1 here. There's an invisible little 1. There's an invisible little 1. Remember, you learned that when you multiply your exponents, or when you're multiplying, you add the exponents. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us t to the 3rd. And then you have your -4. These are not like terms. You cannot combine them. This would be your final answer. Okay? Next,